Loffler is a IT partner for us, and being a partner, they manage our IT needs daily. And they also help us plan for the future. Like this will be replaced in 2 years, so we can plan and prepare for what the future will look like. The technology changing, it's really important to be prepared. Without having a partner to help us budget for IT, expenses would come up mid-year, unexpected, higher costs. We would have to purchase things that we weren't expecting. And then it made it hard to plan, like if we wanted to replace one server, maybe we should have replaced 2, but we didn't budget for it. So now we're not able to.